Today I'm going to be attempting to install these tweeters that I got from a Tahoe. Got the stock ones right here. So what I did is, to get power, I tested this first one over here. Got the original plug and then just wired more wire. And then got it from the front left positive, front left negative, just the white and black for mine. And then the left or the right side is going to be this, this gray one. It's going to be the right. And then just put these on there for now. Hooked it up, gave it power, it worked. I'm gonna try the right side, see if they can both work at the same time and go from there. Alright, just hooked this right side speaker up
and it's intended to bring about healing and also to make sure that they truly are repentant.
Right. These guys, when they hear me go over this and they read the book, the ones that flush out right away. How dare, they're angry at me. How dare you ask me to do these things? I'll say, how dare you do what you did?
So we got that right now. Gonna plug in the other one, make sure they both simultaneously work. Everything's good, that they sound good. Alrighty, so I got both of them hooked up. I just got the radio, so it sounds like shit. I got both of those. They should just snap right in like these ones. Got a clip up there, and then this part slides in. Just gonna fix up all this wiring and figure out a way to wire this. This first one's pretty simple to get in. Right there and then is just this one. I don't know if I'm about to go under and go right there around, or try to fish something through there. Open these up and try to go behind there. We'll see right now. Oh, and also if you're wondering, well, this is what I noticed. I was trying to figure out which wire did which one's positive and negative on this one, but I believe they don't matter. Because I tried it on both, the white, the positive, and the other black with white with negative. Just switched them around and they work both the times. So I believe that don't really matter. Because this one I just hooked it up and I got it the first time, so pretty sure they're non. So that one just pops off. There's a clip up here. You gotta kind of pry the fuck out of it. And then over here just kind of slides out. We got this one and the stock one right here. It's pretty much the same thing. And this one's from a 03 and up, I believe. Same clips, same everything. And this year is a 92, as you can tell by the steering wheel. I mean 2002, 2002, and these tweeters are from a 03 and up. Just got the factory. Alright, well I ran it up through there. Can't even see it, but and I wrapped it with electrical tape. And the way I got it was over here. I don't know if you can see, right? Oh, where's it? Hold on. Okay, so I ran it through right here. I was able to stick some fat little fingers, push it in through here, and then just pull it. And then I already had the little thing for to hold it, the clip. So that's cool. Right there. And the reason I got it from this instead of the original harness, because I rather cut this aftermarket harness and the original, rather splice into that. tell that. I'm gonna try to get the other side going. Just other mamelone. Alright, just finished it all up. Just gotta snap these things back in there. The way I ran it, took these bitches off. Just gotta zip tie that. And just kinda tucked it in. Hold on, let me get on that side. Look at the mamelone. HD front end, well, just the hood. Okay, so this side I just ran it from right there. Grabbed it from there. You can reach your hands in here. Just took down that. Push to the side. Falls down. Just gonna zip tie this somewhere where it's not in the way. I did not want to run it behind the airbag because fuck that. Or even in front, so it went under. Went right there. Got it from right there. And just ran it through the back. Pretty simple. I just gotta clip this shit in there. Alrighty. Gotta run it. Where is it at? Right there. Up and out of the way of the glove box. Zip tied it. Zip tied it. Bring it out. Alright, got the finished product right here. Don't mind the scratches, they're already there before. Fits just like it's supposed to. Clips in. They sound good. See if I can get some on the radio. Nothing. But they work. And they sound pretty fucking good. Alright, working on the mamelone now. Gonna put some more of this kill mat all the way as far as I could reach. Make this bit sound better. Then I'm gonna fix this with a little bit more flexo. Start to crack right there. In my box. Nothing fancy, but gets the job done. Keeps it from getting all wet over here. Vacuum this bitch up. Clean it. Let's get it.